Okay. Ooh. I hope I look good right there. What is up, everyone? So today we have a very exciting install. I've been wanting one of these forever, and we finally have it in our hands. It's not a huge mod, I guess, well, maybe for some people, but personally, with my experience in my car, I've always had shifter issues. I always grind second gear, especially when doing like a pull or like, you know, taking off. But we finally have a solution to that. We have the new Acuity Instruments short shifter for the 9th gen Civic Si. It feels fantastic. I felt it on a 9th gen like last year, and I've wanted one since then. And I've watched all the greats, you know, install it on YouTube, like Chris Lopes, and it just made me want one, and I finally pulled the trigger, and I said, let's do it. Let's install one now. So yeah, let's show you the package. We're gonna unbox it, show you everything that comes with it, and then we're gonna install it in the car ourselves. We're gonna be following the Acuity Instruments video. I'll put the link to that right here, wherever, and in the description below. But yeah, let's get to it. I am so excited to show you guys. I'm so excited to see it. This thing is beautiful. They put craftsmanship into all their products. Let's just look at it. Let's go. All right, here is the box. Boom! Yeah, it's pretty big. Oh shit, let me see if I can get a wider view. Nope, that's as wide as we're gonna go. All right, well, we'll see how that goes. Well, first and foremost, thank you to Lloyd at Psycho Speed for you know, helping me get this. Amazing customer service. I've never ever had this much, you know, this smooth of a process when purchasing a part. Yeah, their website is really easy to navigate to, and it's all and all the parts are categorized, so it's so easy to go through. And the man knows exactly what he's talking about, especially when it comes to 9th gen Civics. He drives a FG4, and you know, what better way to purchase something than from someone that knows what they're talking about, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and start with this unboxing. We're gonna move it. Acuity is located all the way in Louisiana, I believe, or Baton Rouge. Oh, where is my pen? I mean, my cutter. Okay, here it is. The packaging is really dope. Ooh. Ooh, okay, it's got those little peanut things from Toy Story. You ever seen Toy Story? You know what I'm talking about. Wow, this is fun. Oh, what? Yo, they hooked it up with the little Acuity Leans pen thing. Is it from Leans? I don't know if it is or not, but still, yo, this is fresh as hell. There we go, look at that. That is the freshest thing I ever seen in my life. That's so sick. We're gonna put that somewhere. We'll see. Oh, more goodies, yo! Yo! This is the coolest package I've ever received. There's a bunch of stuff in here. Okay, we'll open this after. Let's just dig through here and see what else we can pop open. All right, we're just gonna boom. The first little box. This right here is the Poco low profile shift knob. All right. So pretty much what this is supposed to do, it's supposed to be a small shift knob that actually reduces the throw of your shifter. So even if you didn't have a short throw shifter, if you had the OEM stock one, this would improve your throw by a certain percentage. So I just decided to grab it since I was getting the short shifter anyways. I wanted a new shifter. I just wanted a complete new setup. So we'll open this after the shifter as well. Okay, let's just look through this real quick since we got it already out here. Let's, boom. Off the bat, I have an Acuity little jet tag. This is fresh as hell, man. This is so fresh. I'm gonna put that right there for now. We got a couple little decals of their race cars. It's a freaking Integra. Yo, this is fresh. I love it. I love the little, you know, the way that they make their cars look. It's so fresh. And then we have the SI over here. Believe it's an SI. So the guy that actually owns this car that races for Acuity, actually, I think he worked on the NSX, on production on the NSX or something like that. I read that on, I mean, I seen that on their like freaking documentary, something like that. He actually, yeah, well, this is actually the same car that's on the pin right here. So yeah, look at that, boom. So we'll lay these out like this. All right, then we have, let's get you out of here. It looks like a little lean cub. Yo, this is fresh as hell too. I wonder if it smells like grapes. That would be awesome. Put that there. Now we have an actual Acuity sticker. This is definitely gonna go on the car. Boom. We got a black one too, fresh as fuck. And then we got the little brochure. Okay, so these are transmission spring upgrades. Now I actually have no idea how to install these. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna watch their video and we're gonna do it ourselves. And then this one right here is the shift link bushing upgrade. Boom. We'll unbox those after. We'll do it now. Well, this is just a spring. I'm not gonna open that one up. Let's open this one up. So these are the little rings that go on the bushing. These are the actual bushings. These look so nice. Man, this is fresh. I like their boxing. It's so freaking fresh, yo. All right, let's open up the Poco. I cannot wait. I need to see this thing. Oh. We get a little cool Acuity sticker again. That is fresh. Damn, they hooked it up with all this. Oh my god. Hold on, let me zoom in. Let's zoom in on this bad boy. Yo, that is so dope. Look at that. This is right here. It comes with one Poco shift knob, one shift boot collar, and 3 lay flat cable ties. Pretty much zip ties, I think. So let's take this little whole thing out. Oh, okay. So these little zip tie things are basically to keep your boot collar in place. You know, and then you just trim the excess. That's pretty dope that they included that. And then the piece of resistance. Yo, this is sick. It's actually weighted. That is so dope. Put that there. And then here's the bottom part. So what I've seen and what I've read is that this is actually magnetic. So you don't screw it on, it just goes on just like that. That is so sick. That is the sickest thing ever. Look at that. Yo. All right, now for the actual thing we've all been waiting for. Here she is. The shifter herself. Oh my lord, I'm so excited for this. So it says 10 to 50% adjustable reduction in gear throw compared to stock. 5% to 35% adjustable reduction in gate throw compared to stock. Knob height adjustable 25 mil / -15mm compared to stock. That's sick. Heat treated aluminum frame for lightweight compliance reduction. Honed bushings and compression bushings reduce backlash. Shifter springs improve centering action. That is so sick. And it comes with the shifter assembly, the offset shift rod and assembly, the anodized mounting washers, and M8 flathead screws. All right, let's open her up. So pretty much for this shifter, you have to pre-adjust it before you actually install it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do all the prep work here. Oh my lord, this thing is humongous. And then here's the head. Anything else in there? The washers. And another sticker. Oh. Okay, hopefully that was it. Alright. So these are the washers that come with the actual build. Here is the head. It's got a nice little net around it. Oh, this is so nice. So I guess what they're saying is that this design is different from their old one. The older one, it was like a knob that goes out this way, but now it's more flush up and down, and you can actually adjust it. Changing this, and you can actually bring it up and down. That's actually sick. And this is for the actual shift knob up top right here. Oh my god, this thing is sexy. Just look at it. Oh my lord, this is the sexiest thing ever. Okay, so what we're about to do, I'm gonna take a minute and adjust it to the settings that I want. If you want to, I'm not gonna show you exactly how because I'm not too sure myself. I'm just gonna watch the video again. I've watched it multiple times. I just wanna be sure, watch their video, adjust it to their thing. You can, finish the build, I guess, on their video if you want, but this is just so you can get my point of view from someone who's never done this before. So yeah, I'm gonna go watch their video, how to adjust it to their specs, the specs that I want for my liking. Okay, well, we switched over to the GoPro. Hold on, let me wipe this. We switched over to the GoPro so that we, oh man, my shit's already fucking scratched. Cool. Come on. Okay. We switched over to the GoPro so we can get a little bit more wider view. We do have the other camera over there recording from that angle, kind of zoomed in a little bit. So if you experience if you see like a little lost quality, it's because of that. Yeah, but here we have the shifter. We're gonna start by removing the entire the center console component. You'll need like screwdriver, a 12 and a 10 mil ratchet set, and a 14 mil freaking thingamabob. But yeah, like I said, if you want a full in-depth of how to adjust this and all that, go ahead and watch Acuity's video because they do a fantastic job. And yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and do the basics and just do the install for beginner's sake, because I don't want to tell you guys how to do something and I end up being not credible, which I'm not. I'm not a pro, but yeah, let's do it. in there now. We are gonna go test drive it from the first fuel. It is very, very stiff and notchy. I cannot wait to drive this. We're just gonna go do a loop real quick. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Mind you, I have all this shit in here still, so if you hear shit clanking around, because I still have all the parts out. I just want to test drive it like this before I do anything. Oh my god, this thing is so stiff. Oh. Is that in? Oh my god, I don't think I can even shift this. Yo. That is not even half of a fucking throw. I'm not even moving this shifter, bro. This shit's insane. Okay, I might have to loosen it up. This is a bit too tight, but Jesus. Okay, ready? This is first, second, third, fourth. Lord, just watch. This is crazy. Okay, so that's pretty much for this video. Let me know what you think of this shifter. It's insane. Today, actually, or soon, if not today, I'm gonna go do that transmission springs and cable bushings. I'll be vlogging that too. That'll just be for a separate video. I just didn't think that it would be so complicated to install those. So with that being said, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next ones. And yeah, like, subscribe, and follow my Instagram for more updates on the car, and this Instagram for updates on my photography and all that. I do have a video coming soon of photo shoot with the GTR, so stay tuned to that for that. That shit was insane. So yes, see you guys on the next one. Dreamland.